and welcome back to my channel. My name is Saina Sekhri and I am so sorry for being MIA since past 2 weeks now, but I promise I will be coming up with more and more fresh content for you guys. So a lot of you have been asking me what do I do for my hair, what is my hair care routine, how I've grown my hair, what all products I use, and how do I make my hair look silky, smooth and voluminous. So in this video I am going to talk about one such product that I have been using over the past few weeks and I am absolutely loving the results. You guys can see my hair have started to look voluminous. It looks like I've done keratin to my hair, but I've not. So for my hair care routine, it's going to be like a long process where I'm going to show you what all products do I use, what all I do to maintain my hair. Everything is going to be in that video. If you guys want to watch it, make sure you guys hit the subscribe button and leave a comment down below. So for today's video, I'm going to review the Azani Active Care Fortifying Hair Serum, which I have been using since past 3 to 4 weeks now and I'm absolutely loving the results. So let me tell you what exactly makes this product so unique and my absolute favorite. So first of all, let me tell you what all my hair goes through, right? I am a content creator and I need to make my hair look on point for the content, for YouTube, for Instagram. I'm always on the go and I have to make sure that my hair looks like I'm straight out of a salon. So for that, I keep using straighteners, blow dryers and a lot of heating tools. So if you're using heating tools on a regular basis, your hair becomes much more damaged. You see split ends, I could see my hair thinning, I could even see a lot of hair fall. So it was really important to start taking care of my hair and get back on my hair care routine. So this hair care serum by Azani Care is an accurate composition of hair growth stimulants like Biotin, Keratin and Redensyl. So let me tell you what exactly these ingredients do to help you provide nourishment, and it is great for every scalp type. Firstly, let's talk about keratin. Keratin is a type of protein which is majorly responsible for your hair, nails and skin. And because Azani hair serum is rich in keratin, it actually helps you to strengthen your hair, preventing it from breakage, heat damage and frizz, which helps you in maintaining strong and healthy hair. The next key ingredient is biotin. Biotin is basically vitamin B7 which stimulates the keratin production and it actually increases the rate of follicle growth. So if you're someone like me who's dealing with hair thinning, because this product has biotin, it actually helps your hair to grow back thicker and stronger. So the next key ingredient is Redensyl, and trust me when I say it is absolutely my favorite. Why? Because it is the newest breakthrough against hair loss and it is actually the best alternative to hair transplantation. Now let me tell you how exactly I apply this product. So once I'm done with my hair care routine, once I'm done with shampooing and conditioning my hair, I make sure to apply the Azani hair care serum onto my damp hair. All you need to do is take 1 or 2 drops of the Azani hair serum into your palms, rub your hands together and distribute it evenly throughout the length of your hair. So make sure you avoid applying this to your roots and scalp and also avoid rinsing the hair after you apply the serum. You will actually start seeing the results once you make sure you are including this hair serum every single time you're doing your hair care routine. So one thing that I've definitely noticed is that it has helped me to restore the healthy appearance and has definitely improved my hair texture, making it look much more smoother and shinier. What do you guys think? So if you guys want to go ahead and check this product out, I will make sure to link it in the description box below. The Azani Active Care Fortifying Hair Serum is also available on azanicare.com. This product is also available on Amazon and Flipkart. This product retails for Rs 399 for 50 ml of product. So this product is also available in 2 more different sizes, which is 100 ml and 150 ml, and it is recommended for all scalp types. So if you guys want to see a thorough hair care routine, make sure you guys leave a comment down below and I will definitely come up with a video for that. So that's it for today's video. Make sure you guys hit the subscribe button, make sure you like this video, share it with your friends and family, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!